So it's a new week, and that means it's time to talk about all the new ransomware attacks. Now, this week we are tracking a few victims that have been targeted by the Hive ransomware gang. First, let's talk about Technische Hochschule Nürnberg, and they are the second biggest institute of technology in Bavaria with over 12,000 students and over 1,800 faculty members. Now, earlier in November, the university was hit with a cybersecurity attack, and now, towards the end of the month, we now know that they were hit by Hive ransomware. 3 weeks later, the university is still not back to 100%, with certain services still being offline. Now, it's not clear how much data was stolen and how much the ransom was for, or if the ransom was even paid. Now, the bigger story comes from one of Hive's latest victims, biopharmaceutical firm Supernus Pharmaceuticals. The firm was hit with an attack mid-November and claimed that they successfully recovered the encrypted files. An incident did not impact its operations. But Hive tells a different story. They say they stole 1.5 terabytes of data and were in constant negotiations with Supernus because they are currently in the process of acquiring Adamas Pharmaceuticals Inc. Hive alleges that the company filed with the SEC but did not mention the breach, which they believe is unethical behavior. How's that? Hive has not mentioned the ransom amount in their messages or in their leak site. But as always, the biggest question is, how do you protect you or your company so you don't end up like these organizations? Having the right tools is a first start. From the advanced email security, which filters phishing emails that lead to malware infections, to the advanced behavioral engine that detects and stops malware that drops ransomware, and the active protection that recognizes ransomware's behavior. Acronis Cyber Protect has an entire suite of security that can protect you, your data, and your business.